How to redeem edible arrangements birthday gift. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem edible arrangements birthday gift. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. The Edible Rewards program is sponsored by Edible Arrangements LLC. By becoming a member of the Edible Rewards program, you will be eligible for certain promotional programs and rewards. First, the Birthday Club is open to all Edible Rewards members who have provided their birthday information in their Edible Rewards account profile at least 24 hours prior to the first day of the birthday month. Second, if you sign up either within 24 hours of the first day of your birthday month or during your birthday month, you will not be eligible to receive a Birthday Club reward in that calendar year. However, you will be eligible to receive a Birthday Club reward in the following calendar year. Third, the Birthday Club reward is a free dipped fruit box. The contents of the free dipped fruit box will be determined by the local Edible Arrangements LLC store at time of order and is subject to change at any point. To receive your Birthday Club reward, you have to be a Birthday Club member and have made a purchase of at least $29 for US members and $30 CAD for Canadian members, excluding sale tax, delivery charges, coupons applied at the time of purchase, discounts, value of a redeemed reward, or other excluded charges within the calendar year prior to your birthday month. Birthday Club rewards notification will be then emailed to Birthday Club member on or about the first day of their birthday month. Your Birthday Club reward must be redeemed during the month of your birthday and is valid for pick-up or delivery. However, delivery orders will be charged the then applicable delivery or shipping fee. Your Birthday Club reward can be included with another or can be ordered separately too. If you redeem your Birthday Club rewards separately, it can only be redeemed in-store and cannot be redeemed online. Also, if you redeem your Birthday Club reward with another purchase, it can be redeemed in-store or online. Only one Birthday Club reward will be issued in a calendar year, and all the requirements must be met each year to qualify for a Birthday Club reward. So, this is how you can redeem Edible Arrangements birthday gift. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Log and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.